This authentic fry bread has that crispy golden outer shell and a fluffy soft center we all love. This simple and versatile homemade recipe is delicious whether you're serving them up savory or sweet. Enjoying an Indian taco is a hearty experience with generous toppings of seasoned meat, melted cheese, and crisp fresh vegetables. Or how about making a sweet treat? Drizzle a powdered sugar glaze over the top, or dust generously in cinnamon sugar, berries and jams, or even chocolate sauce and ice cream. These handmade fry breads are a delicious and fun experience however you choose to enjoy them. Hi, I'm Minnie from This and That Minis. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Now to get started with this, you're going to need a good sized dish or bowl. Add 2 cups of flour. To that, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to whisk that all together. You can add a half a teaspoon of sugar here, but this is optional. Just going to create a well right in the center of this flour mixture. We're going to pour 3/4 of a cup of warm water in the center of that. Add to that 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then we'll just give that a stir until a dough starts to form. It won't take long. And now I'm just going to gently knead this for about 2 to 3 minutes until that dough is a good firm ball and everything is mixed in. And there we go. I'm going to cover this and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Set that aside, and while that's resting, let's get our toppings together. Slicing up some onion here. Red onion will work here too. We'll just add a little sweeter note. I don't happen to have any on hand. Just place those in a small dish. And some tomato. We'll do the same for that. Just dice up a couple of aromas, ought to be good. I've got a little fresh lettuce I just picked out of my garden. Gonna add that to our Indian tacos. We've got cheese and some salsa. I've got 2 cups of vegetable oil heating up in a medium-sized skillet here. This skillet has high edges on it, about 2 inches. It should be time to check on that dough. It's been resting for more than 10 minutes, which is great. That gluten should be developed by now. It's soft and springs back when you press it. I'm going to divide this into, about 6 pieces. Then roll each one of these into a little ball. They don't have to be perfect. And if you like, you can roll them out with a rolling pin. But the traditional way to do it is just by moving it around with your fingers. We might have to get out the rolling pin. It's taking too long for me, and I like it thinner than that anyway. And they don't have to be perfect. That's what makes them Indian tacos. And that oil ought to be hot enough. We'll just place one of those fry breads gently in it. And this should only take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook. You'll cook it on each side until it's golden brown. Just beautiful. And now just leave that in there for a minute or two on this side. That looks good and done. Just place that on a paper towel lined plate and get another one in the oil. And this is going to be one fantastic dinner. Throw some cheese on there. Excuse me. Taco meat. A little lettuce. Tomatoes. Onion. Salsa. And more cheese. I'm ready to devour that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or suggestions. I'd really love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and watch these videos next.